How to fix a WhatsApp error your camera is unavailable or in use in another app issue. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having this trouble, first and foremost, make sure to close all other applications using the camera. Exit the apps such as Instagram, Zoom, or Snapchat. To do so, you can force close the application. For this, head over to Settings on your device and then search for apps. Go to all apps and scroll down to find the application that might be using the camera. Now to force stop it, you just have to tap on the application such as that of Snapchat. Once you tap on it, tap on force stop. Make sure to confirm it and do the same for other applications probable of using the camera as well. However, if this does not help, restart your device. This way, it will release the camera from any app using it. Moving on to WhatsApp, long press the WhatsApp application from the home screen and go to App Info. Then after go to Permissions and then enable the camera. After that, head over to the previous page. This is to clear the cache and release the corrupted files. However, if this does not help, you will have to uninstall the WhatsApp completely from the device and then reinstall it from the Play Store or App Store. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.